One foot is going to be in front, the other one is going to be in the back. One hand is going to be here, and then you're going to open and come back up. Important thing, hips have to be facing forward. If you see that you start doing this, then you're overdoing it. Okay, let's say that you got here and that's when your hips start to compensate. You're going to stop there. Okay, every time you're going to be able to go deeper and deeper. You're going to do it both sides.
So foot shouldn't be against the wall, just away from it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna open. There you go. Look to the front. Don't jet your head. And try to hold it there, like drive it in. Did you notice